Good day. I remain Agada Emmanuel, the CEO of IMA System Links Limited. IMA System Link is an IT consultant company that deals on web and app development, account and inventory softwares, Excel spreadsheets, and a lot that covers ICT and IT in general. Now we deal mostly on consultation for organizations. We help organizations build based on digital marketing. We train organizations and help them to grow to a particular standard of their businesses. But that is not what we are here to share with you today. We are here to share with you our new project that is about to be launched. We call it the Techpreneur Community. The Techpreneur Community is a community that brings tech experts together to share ideas, to be educated, to be informed, and to interact with each other. From same Techpreneur Community comes Tech Talk Show. Now, the main aim why we are here is to tell you more about Tech Talk Show, because the Tech Talk Show will help boost the Techpreneur community. Tech Talk Show is a talk show where we bring different IT experts into a place. We run an interview on them, ask questions of their experience over the field, how they were able to start up even with low or no capital, how they are able to reach the level they are today. On Tech Talk Show, we'll be able to bring some insight on problems that affect our day-to-day runnings and activities of organizations. At Tech Talk Show, we'll be able to give more emphasis on problems organizations faces setting up a system, a server, trying to train their staffs, making sure that their staffs are fully equipped when it comes to the IT knowledge. On Tech Talk Show also, we'll be sharing we'll help to solve different system problems. We call those problems troubleshooting. Troubleshootings are simply easy to do problems that can easily be solved. Now, problems like trying to format your system, having a reset, when your RAM has a problem, when you are trying to on your system and refuse to come up, when your battery is having a fault of one or the other, when you are trying to make something happen with your system, when you are trying to boot up your system and it refuses. Now, on Tech Talk Show, we'll be able to talk more of how you will be able to solve those problems. We will give you solutions to help you solve those problems. On Tech Talk Show, we'll be able to explain more further how you can be an entrepreneur on the tech industry with low or no capital. How you can start up a company. We will give you insights of companies and business you can start up with low or no capital. We'll be able to help you boost. We'll tell you how you can start up a business or a company with the help of digital marketing. On Tech Talk Show also, we'll be able to take you by the hands and show you the door towards success when it comes to technology. Now, with recent happenings now, we know and we all have seen that technology is growing at an alarming rate. With such on the dashboard, we have come up with this talk show to be able to educate the general masses, to be able to bring to limelight what technology is all about, to be able to, we have searched and seen the loopholes, the weak points in which someone can start up a business on a technological platform without capital or with low capital. We'll be able to bring out some faces. We have been able to look at startups you can do, startups you can indulge in without capital. Something you can do, things like graphic design, You can start up a graphic design organization or company or graphic design business. You will learn graphic design even with the use of your phone. You can start it up. You can design logos, you can design flyers for individuals and organizations, and you get paid. There are a lot of things you can do. You can create cartoons, you can do virtually a lot of things. So on Tech Talk Show, we will bring in that to you. We are making this video just we are making this video as an introduction to what we are about to do on Tech Talk Show. And the Tech Talk Show will come with a YouTube page, a Facebook page, and also a live show on YouTube. Now, what we are trying to introduce is we want to at least every week give you videos that will help you solve your system problems. Give you videos of startups that you can do on weekly basis. And that is what we bring to you today, Tech Talk Show. Now, on the same light, Techpreneur community will be launched, because we will get in touch now with different tech entrepreneurs, different tech experts. We'll bring them together to train individuals, to teach individuals out of their own experience over the years. To teach and train individuals out of their own experience in the field. We are going to bring experts. We are going to bring successful tech entrepreneurs. That is what we are going to bring onto the platform. So we are going to be doing these videos by the grace of God on weekly basis. Every weekend we are going to shoot videos, upload on our YouTube page. We will implore you to come on board, see what we have to do, see what we have to indulge you in, see what we have to teach you, see what you have to learn online. There are a lot of things we can do online. There are a lot of skills we can learn online. So I'll beg, advise, and indulge and ask you to come on board. We are always ready, and we welcome you all on this very nice, perfect, and good platform that will take you up to the sky. Welcome as you come in, and see you there.